Yeah, so I'm going to adventurify this bike a little bit. I'm going to put on a set of taller handlebars, actually, with the cross brace on them. As the handlebars on here are just a little bit too short for me to stand. I'm standing on the pegs right now just to take care of some of those bumps. There, I'm sitting back down. I'm sure you can hear it in the voice. I find it interesting, making the transition from riding on pavement to riding on dirt on the same bike. You kind of have to think about braking strategies. On pavement, you use a hell of a lot more front brake. On the dirt, you don't want to use quite as much because you'll lock your front end up, and you can lose yourself that way quite easily. Riding in one of the another one of the riverine parks. They're scattered all the way up and down the Rio. I thought I'd just give you guys yet another view. Yeah, it's the Rio Grande River. Ride all the way up it, fall in it if I wanted to. It'd be mighty cold. Good fishing here, actually. Catfish. Spent many an hour catfishing here. Or fishing, not catfishing. See, here's the advantage. The handlebar bike can't give you the view that's out this way. Looks really cool. It's a gorgeous view. During the summer when it greens up, it's even better. But anyway, I'll continue on my loop. Biggest thing is people do bring their own. They don't pick up their damn trash. I think that's a frickin' shame. Find out how much of this recording we've got. I think somebody sent me a text message. I hear my cell phone beeping in my pocket. I'll check that when I get home. So far we've gone 6.5 miles on this loop. I have my GPS mounted to the handlebars. Once we get a chance here, I'll back off and try to show you basically what it looks like on the basically my mounting so far is what I was trying to say. There's lots of turnoffs to these little parks. It's one of the irrigation channels. They have many that take water from the Rio Grande. I'm exaggerating my head movements a little bit so maybe you guys can see what I'm looking at. I don't think so. Now the channel that's To the right is what's known as the low flow channel. It has water in it year round. There's actually pretty decent fishing out of that too. We'll be crossing that here in a couple more minutes. Yeah, I'm just thumping along about 30 miles an hour. The bike actually is doing quite well on this. Another entrance to one of the other areas along the river. I wonder what these people are doing down here. Looks like there might be, oh, it's just a rock in the road. I thought that was a rabbit. Oh no, that's a dead crow. It's a dead crow. There are people out with their dirt bikes today. They're just fucking around. Okay, they're having fun. They're just playing in the dirt. Yeah, I love the strange looks that I get when I come putting by on the Enfield, that's for sure. They're like, that's not a dirt bike. That bike shouldn't be on here at all. And this is where I cross back over and head back into town. There's another one of the parks just right off the main drag here. Yeah, fun stuff. See, there's the channel, there's a little dam. Here's another drainage. And we'll be crossing yet another drainage. There's actually a drainage that runs right by my house. Yeah, what's happening with Ant is with the fogging problem is happening again. I'm going to have to raise my shield. Is on my Nolan helmet here. I'm getting fog between the anti-fog insert, which is a pin lock insert, and the shield itself. So the only way to fix it is to raise the shield and let some air get in between the two. I'll pull it off and see how we do, or see what it does, or clean it up. Might have to install a new anti-fog inlet or insert one of these days. And here we are, we're back in town. In fact, we've come full circle. Let's see, 8.84 miles. Nice little trip. Time is 1:02 p.m. And there, I'm leaning back a little bit. Maybe you can see how I have it set up on the bike. I have my GPS and I have the camera. So here's the GPS, there's the camera, lead going to the helmet. Hope you enjoyed the trip. I'm going to go home and see how this turned out. Maybe produce a video. Then again, you guys might never see it.